guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my Nykaa beauty haul. So I purchased a lot of items from the Nykaa Summer Super Saver sale that was going on. I found a big hole on my pocket. I don't really think I have made such an impulsive buy in my life ever on beauty products. A few of my items have not yet been delivered, taking a little bit of a time to get it delivered during the lockdown, so I'm really not sure when they will reach me, but yeah. But I have all the other items that I purchased. Only a few items have not been delivered. So yeah, I'll just show you guys what all I got in the Nykaa Super Summer Saver sale. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. Huda Beauty was having amazing offers during this sale, so I bought a bunch of items from Huda Beauty. I also want to do a one brand makeup tutorial using only Huda Beauty. So the first item that I picked up is this highlighter palette from Huda. This is called their 3D highlighter palette, and the shade that I picked up is called Golden Sands. So this is how the palette looks like. Can you see that duochrome shiny effect on Huda's face? It's so cool. So this is how the palette looks like, sort of with this plasticky film with Huda's face on it as well. So this is how the palette looks like. It's very beautiful, lot of golden and bronzy tones in it. So this is a highlighter palette. Like I mentioned earlier, you also get one creamy highlighter in the same palette, and the other three are all powder highlights. I really like these kind of tones for my highlight with a lot of gold and bronze infused in it. So I'm really looking forward to use this, and it feels very smooth to touch as well. Ooh, the cream highlighter is also very buttery, and it's like a pale golden highlight. One more thing I wanted to mention is that most of the times when Huda Beauty has a sale on Nykaa, a lot of their products have lesser expiry date. All of the products that I picked up are kind of near to the expiry date. I can use these products for about 1 year and not more than that. That's why they are at a slashed price. The next product that I got from Huda is the Tantour Cream Contour. So this is how beautiful and sleek the packaging looks like. So the shade that I got is called Tan, which I think will be a very good cream contour for my complexion. So it comes in this sort of like a pot packaging with a lid on it. So this is how the Tantour looks like. So this is how rich and deep the shade Tan looks like. I think it will be a very perfect cream contour on my skin tone. The next thing that I picked up was this Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I have been meaning to get my hands on this foundation for so long. So many of you on my channel have been requesting me to post a review on this foundation. So a review video on the Huda Beauty foundation will come up real soon on my channel. So this is the foundation that I'm wearing in today's video as well. My shade is Gingerbread. Before buying this online on Nykaa, I did go to a Nykaa store before the lockdown happened, just to get my hands on this foundation, and the salesperson told me that you won't be able to get your hands on this for another 2 months throughout India. It's not available anywhere. So I was very surprised when I saw this foundation on the Nykaa website, and as soon as I saw this, I placed an order. I do have a deeper shade in my bridal kit for really nice deep chocolatey skin tones to work on, but I don't have my shade. So finally I got the shade Gingerbread, which I think matches me pretty well. The next item from Huda was this Huda Beauty Makeup Fixer. This is called their Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray. I have heard a lot of things about this setting spray, of how strong it is. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of skeptical before buying this product. I really wanted to do a one brand makeup tutorial using Huda Beauty. For that, I really wanted to get my hands on the setting spray, so that's why I got it. The next item that I got from Huda is their remastered rose gold eyeshadow palette. Now I already own the rose gold eyeshadow palette from Huda, but it's gotten super old and most of these foiled eyeshadows are broken, as you can see, and probably even expired as well. So I wanted to get the new rose gold eyeshadow palette because this is a must-have staple in my bridal makeup kit. I really cannot function without this palette. It is super important. So yeah, I got this for my bridal makeup kit. So this is how gorgeous the remastered rose gold eyeshadow palette looks like. The newer packaging also has a huge sized mirror, which is perfect. Again, this also has a plastic shield just to protect your eyeshadow with Huda's face on it. So those were all of the Huda Beauty makeup products that I ordered. Now I'll show you what other products that I bought in this sale. I got my most favorite face wash or face cleanser. This is the Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser, which works like magic on my complexion. I have been using this cleanser for so many years now, and I will keep repurchasing this because it is very good for oily or acne prone skin. I already have one in my bathroom, but I really need to have a backup of this because I am that kind of a person. I need to have a backup of my favorite products even before it gets finished up completely. So yeah, that's why I got this. So I have been really obsessed with under eye sheet mask recently. So I got this pack of 3 under eye masks from Garnier. This has been working really good on my under eyes. It feels super smoothing and hydrating, and also I can see a little bit of brightness as well. I also got another under eye mask. This is from Tony Moly. This is their Firm & Snail eye mask. Super interesting. Looks very slimy and liquidy on the packaging, so I'm very much looking forward to use this. I also got this L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch spray thing for your roots. So I have a lot of grey hair going on right now. I really wanted to go to a salon and get all my greys covered, but unfortunately that is not going to happen anytime sooner because of the lockdown, and I really don't want to go out. So this comes in very handy for me. I have been using this product for about more than a year. I really like this product whenever I am on the go and want to cover up all of my grey hair. I absolutely pick this one up. This is in the shade dark brown. They also have another variant in this in a black shade as well, but I feel dark brown looks more natural on my hair color, so that's the reason I got this. Next item is this Calabar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion, which looks like this. Very beautiful. So this is supposed to be a dupe for the MAC stroke cream, and I totally agree. I did do a little bit of a swatch. This does feel very similar to the MAC stroke cream. So it has a very cool packaging. You just have to twist it like this and the pump opens up and you dispense the product by pressing the pump. You can just twist it again and the pump goes right back. So yeah, I really want to get my hands on the Calabar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. I'll keep you guys posted on how this performs. So the next item that I got is the Swiss Beauty Dip and Twist Nail Polish Remover. I love this stuff. I go back and forth with Swiss Beauty and Blue Heaven. They both have this kind of a similar nail polish remover, which is very affordable. I think this was for about 50 or 60 rupees. It is very affordable, but it is very effective. It just removes all of my nail polish in one twist, and my life is super easy with this nail polish remover. I always like to have backup of these nail polish removers as well, so I got another one. Then I got this L'Oreal Infallible Lasting Primer. I really didn't know that L'Oreal made Infallible Primer in their collection, so as soon as I saw this, I just wanted to pick this up immediately. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's like a nice tube packaging. I love their Infallible foundation, so as soon as I saw this, I just immediately bought it. This was also on a good discount. I think it was for about 500 rupees after discount. So yeah, I got the primer as well. It has this tiny little nozzle to dispense the primer out, so that's perfect. Then I also saw the Infallible foundation on discount. So I'm not really sure if this is a repackaging of their original Infallible foundation that came in a tube packaging, because I already have the other one which says Infallible as well. This is called the Infallible 24-Hour Matte Cover Foundation. So the shade that I picked up is called 260 Golden Sun, which is supposed to be the deepest shade available in this range. I think this is slightly different than the other Infallible tube foundation that I have. I don't know, I'll just test it out and tell you if it is the same thing or different stuff. This one also has this thin nozzle dispenser, which is perfect. This is supposed to give you long wear matte finish with a high coverage and also natural results. So I don't know, I'll try this out and let you guys know. Let me know if you want a review on this foundation. I'll try to post one. I also got another foundation. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Foundation. Now I also have the same foundation in a different shade, which I think is a bit more cool toned on my complexion. So I got the shade 360 Neutral Chestnut, which I'm hoping that should match my skin tone pretty well. This was also on a great discount, so I just thought I'll pick this one up because I really like the formula of this Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. I never really use it up because of the shade that I have, which I think doesn't work that well on my complexion. I like more of a warm toned foundations. The other one that I have has a lot more cool undertone to it, so I don't really reach out for that. Then I got the Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade 14 Twisted Toffee. I use the shade Honey Drop to highlight my face, so I wanted to get a shade which matches my complexion perfectly, just to conceal all of my blemishes and hyperpigmentation. So I'm guessing Twisted Toffee would be a good match to conceal all of my imperfections on my face, because I really like the formula of this particular concealer. It's very illuminating on the skin but has a lot of coverage at the same time. So that's why I got this concealer as well. I also got two products from e.l.f. The first thing that I got is the Camo Concealer Sponge. Now this has been out of stock on Nykaa for really long. I couldn't get my hands on this when e.l.f. launched in India. Even when it was newly launched on the Nykaa website, this was already out of stock, so I got the Total Face Sponge, which I absolutely love. But people rave about this sponge as well, so I'm really looking forward to this sponge. So as soon as I saw the sponge, I had to pick this up, and it was on a great discount as well, so placing an order was a must. It feels very soft even when it's dry. So I'm guessing this would be great when dampened with water. So I'm really looking forward to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge. It's really cute and tiny. This was on my wish list for the longest time, so I'm glad I got this. I also got the e.l.f. Wow Brow Eyebrow Gel. This was also on a great discount on Nykaa, and people really seem to like this eyebrow gel, so I thought I'll give this a try. Sometimes packagings are so hard to open. Oh my god. Okay, I got this out. So this is the e.l.f. What is this called? Wow Brow Voluminizing Fiber Gel. I really did not think this would be so tiny. It looks super cute. The shade that I got is called Deep Brown, which I'm guessing would suit my eyebrow hair pretty well. Oh, this has tiny little fibers all over the wand. So I'm guessing this would add a lot of volume to your eyebrows as well. So I'm very much excited to use this eyebrow gel. I also got this Lime Crime Wet Cherry Ultra Shiny Lip Gloss. And the shade is called Extra Poppin', which is like this clear lip gloss. I told you packaging is very hard to open. So yeah, let me just open this up. Finally, I got this out. So this is their Wet Cherry Lip Gloss. Doesn't this look super delicious and yummy? Because it is. So I got to try this Wet Cherry Lip Gloss from Lime Crime in the shade Extra Poppin' when I conducted my Nykaa masterclass here in Forum Mall, Chennai. Nykaa people just allowed me to whatever products I wanted to choose from their store to use it on my model. So that's when I got to use this amazing lip gloss on my model. Well, I had two models for that day, and this looked super juicy and delicious on their lips. It instantly added that very juicy and pouty look to their lips. It looked super wet and watery and glossy on their lips. So I was like, wow, this stuff is amazing. I need to pick this up. So this was also on sale. So what's more better than picking up an amazing lip gloss on a sale? So that's why I got my hands on the Lime Crime Wet Cherry Lip Gloss in the shade Extra Poppin'. So basically this is a clear lip gloss. You can use this lip gloss on almost whatever lip color you wear just to have that beautiful glossy juicy pout. I will definitely use this in my upcoming tutorials for you all. So I've got one last product to show you guys, which is a skincare product. This is the Dr. Sheth's Cica and Ceramide Overnight Repair Serum. So this particular serum that you see right here is my baby. I love this serum so much. I've already gone through 2 to 3 bottles of this already. This is like a rescue product for your skin. If you have any sort of texture, acne, fresh pimples, whatever, pigmentation, this stuff is amazing. This is what I call a rescue skincare product. Whenever I use this product, I do see that my skin tends to remain super clear and smooth. This is almost like a medicine for my skin. I've realized that I cannot live without this serum anymore in my life. So Dr. Sheth, please don't discontinue this. This is an amazing serum for your face. You can see a visible difference in your skin texture whenever you use this serum, so that's why I love this serum. I have to have this in my skincare all the time, so that's why I got this. My older one is totally over, so here is the new one. That is all the stuff that got delivered to me. I also placed an order for the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush finish foundation, which is yet to be delivered, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. Those were all the products that I bought from the Nykaa Super Summer Saver Sale. Did I say that right? Oh no, it is Summer Super Saver Sale. That's such a tongue twister, by the way. So yeah, anyway you guys, this is all the products that I got. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my haul video. All the other product details that are on my face right now for today's video will be listed in the description box, so don't worry about that. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. I hope you guys are all staying home and staying safe. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!